gentlemen, let's give it up for DJ Enrich.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone stirs to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. Then the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, I say turn up the lights. I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. And thank you so much. That's my last song. Wonderful tonight. Good evening and good night. This is DJ Enric. Peace and love. Thank you so much.
Ayan. Oh, guys. Ano, Ma'am JC, maglalas song ka?
Sige, last song sa
Nagpa-practice
akin.
yan.
Hindi ako,
Kumanta ka
hindi ako
na.
nakukuhang song. Dito yung pinapractice ko kanina.
She's gonna.
So the last song,
Ay, oo, may she's gone pala eh.
is maganti pa si JR. One day in your life, you remember someone that mag-version ka rin daw. Basta ba yun? Napasubo rin ako nun.
Ayan.
Okay.
She's gone. Yeah.
Uy, salamat. Tapos na.
Hindi ko na kayang kantin yan. Hindi ko na kayang kantin yan.
Ha?
Ito mo, ang price nyo dyan is 100.
Hindi ko na
Wow.
kayang
Yung
kantin yan.
manana.
Nako po. Kaya ko,
Eh,
hindi ko na kaya.
Hindi ko na rin kaya kasi ang gabi na dito.
Kaya
Maawatas
mo
mga
yan,
kapitbahay. Kaya ko
Ano lang
naman,
din
kaso
eh, kanina,
respeto din tayo sa mga kapitbahay natin.
Ganun.
Pasigaw
Sige
kasi.
na.
Uy,
Hindi. Wala ka namang kapitbahay dyan eh.
sure ka?
Oo.
Ito nga, nagising yung mga aso eh.
Mga
Meron
aso.
Nakahul na ako ang ingay ko.
Magliparan lang yung mga
Unroll. Lorna ito, unroll. Hispanic Vegas.
Ginalaso mo na yan, nak. Huwag ka
Uy.
nang umangal.
Ha? Di ko naman alam
Oo nga.
kantahin yun. Di ko naman alam kantahin yun.
Hindi
Paano ba yun?
Kanta yan, ha?
Ha? Okay, kantahin ko talaga to. Mamaya ka sa akin.
Bite into Cloud9 for that enjoyment. You can stretch on and on.
Walang uuro.
She's gone out of my life.